is the procedure to show you how to program the GeoShot 2 tool. The GeoShot 2 tool can be programmed with a firmware upgrade using a microchip program. To program the GeoShot 2 tool, the following items are needed: computer with MPLAB IDE installed, microchip MPLAB ICD2, the latest code and project open in MPLAB IDE, and GeoShot 2 chassis section assembly correctly wired. Step 1. To program the GeoShot 2 chassis, you need a setup as shown in this video. Connect the cables to the chassis assembly and adjust the power supply so that the RS-232 board will be supplied with 5 volts and the chassis assembly will be supplied with 6 volts. Step 2. Flip the toggle switch so that it is pointing toward the double purple and blue colored wires connected to it. This is the programming position for the switch. Step 3. On the computer, you will need to open the latest code and project associated with the GeoShot 2 tool. In order to do this, perform the following. Go to My Computer, double-click Engineering on File, navigate to GeoShot 2 folder, open the source code folder, open the folder labeled Current, and then open the folder labeled GeoShot version XX. Open the MPLAB project file. Step 4. When the MPLAB project file is open, minimize the windows within the user interface until only the window labeled Navigation is visible. Step 5. The navigation window will show the code used to program the tool. Once this is the only window visible, scroll down to about line 37 within the code. This line in the code is approximately where the date is located. Change it to make it current. At the start of the code is an area dedicated to making declarations and comments. In this area, make a note of the serial number of the tool you are currently programming. Step 6. Next, click the Project button within the interface, and a menu will be displayed with several options, one of which will be Build All. Choose Build All option. The program will automatically save the changes you made to the code and begin programming the tool. The program will program the tool and also verify that the tool is programmed correctly. Step 7. Once the programming and verification is complete, the user interface will show MPLAB ready. Now you will test to see if the tool was programmed correctly and if it will respond to some of the commands listed in section 1.2.2. Step 8. Flip the toggle switch so that it will now point away from the double purple and blue wires to the single purple and blue wires. Step 9. On the computer, open the program labeled Hercules. Click the Serial tab and set the following parameters. Name to COM1, BAUD to 9600, parity to none, uncheck to RTS and DTS radio box, handshake to off, and mode to free. Under the special characters set, text mode unchecked, DEL EOLS, check local echo, and transmit to CR MAC. Step 10. With all of the above parameters set and the correct COM port chosen, click the Open button to establish communications with the tool and perform the following. Type CONN, getting the response MES2, then type SURV, getting the response Get Info from tool. Step 11. If all of the responses to the above commands are correct, the chassis section was programmed correctly and is now functional. Disconnect the chassis from the programming apparatus and prepare it to be temperature calibrated.